Updating your legal name on Airbyte is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Airbyte account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your account details ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in a profile menu or dashboard, allowing you to manage your personal information. Step 3. Select name change option. Within the account settings, look for the option to update your legal name. This may be labeled as name change or edit personal information. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your changes. After entering your new name, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your request is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Airbyte should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.